Hi there, and welcome to our channel. If you're wondering whether you can edit your client kit right after you shared it with your client, yes, that's possible. To do so, follow these few and simple steps. On your Wix Studio workspace, go to Client Experience on the left, then select Client Kits. And this is where you should see all of the client kits you've previously created. Simply click the Edit Kit button next to the kit you want to edit. And over here, make all the changes you need to make, such as adding more resources, hiding or displaying your agency details, and viewing your clients. Once you're done making all the changes you need to make, click on Save, and that's it. We hope you found this video of help. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.